Yo guys, I am back and it's me, Mata Ninja Whitey. I will show you the new pictures of 0.14.0 Alpha Build 4. Let's play. It has the same, and when you will choose the what you want, like English, there. So let's play. There are new features in 0.14.0 Alpha Build 4, but it has the same. Now it has like this, like survival, and it's just 64. You can craft now. Many blocks had been new. This is new. Its name is item frame, and this cauldron, and you can craft in crafting table. And this is the slime block. You can jump out it. And we have Minecraft with chest, Minecraft with hopper, Minecraft with TNT, and we have a spawn beach. And you can wear the armor, and you can wear this. There. I'm wearing the skeleton map. Let's use it. There. It's dark. Let's try this. Oh, it's just the same. You can craft a slime block with this 9 slime ball. Let's take this Halloween off. We're gonna jump high. Oh. I'm jumping. Let's see the item frame. You can put whatever you want in this, like this, and you can turn it. You can outside, left, right, upside down, and up. And we can open some chests. When using chest, you can open it like this and put it. And there's some new dispenser, redstone comparator, dropper, redstone shaper, plate heavy. So that's the new. In here, there's no new in here. And you can craft you can color the chest plate using this. It's color blue. Let's choose color red. And let's take this go and see what will happen. I don't know how to use it. In the other episode, I saw they work like this and they put this in here and then it colored. But I don't know how. So let's just change it. And this is a hopper. The tip can use water. Oh. This dispenser, you can put like this. And get the lever. And see how it works. Then it's throwing out of it. That's it. That's it. This will so long. It's explode. So that's all in the new features of 0.14.0 Alpha Build 4. So guys, see you on the next episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. And if you want to know everything in the 0.14.0 Alpha Build 4, you can search it on YouTube and the new pictures of it. So see you on the next episode. And in the next episode, we will build a city and how to learn it. So you can build one. And the next episode will be more fun. So see you guys on the next episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Bye. Good. Peace out.